Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing how to make Abele walls, also known as ice popsicles. I start by pouring some all-purpose flour in a pan, followed by 2 cups of water and a quarter cup of milk powder. In total, I use 2 cups of milk powder for this recipe, but feel free to use more or less milk. There's no limit to the quantity of milk to use for this recipe. Then you go ahead and cook for 5 to 7 minutes or until it thickens, making sure to keep stirring so that a smooth mixture is achieved. So now that we have the mixture of the fire, you're going to add a quarter cup of sugar to it and then you mix it all together. And then you add the remainder of the milk powder. You're going to add some water to the milk powder and then you mix it before putting it into the mixture. And lastly, you add some vanilla flavor and mix properly. After mixing, you transfer into a jug and then you pour into small plastic cups. I am using some disposable cups for this. Once you're done, you place the chewing sticks into the cups and then you put in the freezer overnight or until they are perfectly frozen. You can as well use some popsicle sticks if that's what you have. So this has been in the freezer overnight and is looking pretty. In order to get them out, you simply place inside a cup of room temperature water for some seconds and then you get it out and twist it. It's finally out, guys. This tastes so creamy and delicious. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.